Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Style with us. I'm Dee from Urban Cachet. I'm going to run through some beautiful Tradition Textile scarves that we have in store at the moment, all made from beautiful super soft merino wool and designed by Deborah Emmett. Every season she does beautiful colourful scarves. So I'm going to show you a cape style to start, and we'll go through and show you the different designs and the different prints. So we slip this over our head. We tie it here in the front, and then we just sit it back off us, and so it comes around our shoulders nicely, gives us a lovely pop of colour. Yeah, so that's the cape style.
Hello there, I'm Teresa from Urban Cachet, and look, I just love a scarf. It's my favourite part of winter is accessorising with scarves, and I really just think it can elevate a very simple outfit. So here's another beautiful design. They're all gorgeous and they're also beautiful and colourful. So look, this is just a very basic little scarf hack. It's just twisted and around, and then you just let it drape nicely. So it keeps you lovely and warm and cozy and still shows off the design of the scarf.
Hello, okay, my second scarf, isn't it just gorgeous? All these beautiful fern greens. So I'm going to tie this one at the ends in a knot, like so. Got a bit of thumbs today, this morning. And then I'm going to slip it around my neck and tuck that in, and just have it like a beautiful cowl, just to highlight, keep me lovely and snug.
Here I am with my second scarf. Aren't they just stunning? Look, it's like a painting, just an amazing mix of colours. So look, I do tend to make things up as I go a bit with the scarf. So with this one, it can turn out many different ways, but just having a shorter edge and a longer edge, and then just around the neckline, and then draped over the shoulder, and just let that fall. So you could bring that over and tie that here as well. That's another look, but it's just really just play with it. It's just a little fiddle around with it and do it your way.
Okay, now my third tie. So this one I'm going to do what's called a hidden knot. So I'm going to put it around. Gorgeous colours, beautiful in this with the mauve and the pinks. Then I'm going to tie it in a knot, and then I'm going to slip this over the top of it so that it's hidden underneath. A little bit tricky when you're doing it in front of a camera, but I got there. So yeah, and then you can still see the ends. So beautiful.
Hello again. Just want to show you the beautiful design before I get started. This is lovely. It's got a border design all the way around it. So beautiful combination of a blue and a mustard. So with this one, I'm thinking once again, start with another shorter edge, bring it around, and then twist and throw that one over one shoulder, and then just let that drape down the front, and then you're still showing the lovely border design on that, which is just gorgeous.
Hello, okay, I've something different now. We've got lovely just irregular different coloured spots, so a little bit more subdued. This one I'm going to fold in half, wrap around, and just put through. They call this a European style for some reason, so that's just so easy and snug. Beautiful.
Hello again. Look at this absolutely stunning beauty. It's a gorgeous geometric print, so because it's such a statement, I'm just going to keep the styling of this one very, very simple, and just around, and then just throwing it over your shoulder, and then just have a little play around with it. There's plenty of volume there, and then you could pop a little pin through there if you like, or it will just stay there.
Hello, okay, we're back with our final scarves and our final tie. So as you can see, this is just a beautiful like painted scarf. I'm going to actually put it around like this and then like this, and I'm going to tie it in 2 knots. I'm going to call this the Melbourne tie because it's going to keep me really warm and very nice. So just a double knot and very nice around my neck.
Lovely. And look, I've got a nice little simple one to finish. All I've done with that is just around the back of your neck, 2 twists, 1, 2, just to give it a little bit of interest there, and then just throw it over the shoulder, and then you've got the ends trailing down the back, and once again keeping you nice and cozy. It's amazing how warm these scarves are. They're a very light fine merino, but they're super warm, aren't they?
Very warm, and beautiful highlight pieces for your wardrobe, and you'll have them for seasons to come. So thank you very much for watching us, and if you are on YouTube, please subscribe. It will help us greatly, and thank you. See you next time.
Bye-bye.